The BORUIT L15 low is 10 hours and 20 minutes. Medium changes to, I guess, 8 hours. And high, 3 hours and 15 minutes. And that's what I like to be on. But I like to be on a slow on off. And what I am going to do is double press it. And I have a flicker, very rapid flicker, and I don't want to rapid. I want to slow on and off. 1800 lumens, very powerful, very bright indeed, straight beam. We could change this to a wide beam by hitting the wide as well and bringing it to medium and bringing them both to high. Then we only have an hour and 35 minutes of runtime according to the clock. Wide beam 10 hours, low, medium at 5 hours, and high 3 hours and 15. And that's what we're on right now. The back light's on blue, as you can see, riding. Now the light's very powerful. As I walk away from the bicycle, you can see how nice and bright it is. It lights up in the distance of 200 meters. And I'm still pretty bright. Right about here I start to get just a little dark. If you're looking for a bike light, this may be the light for you. It's very powerful. It's not just for biking. You could hold it in the hand, use it as a flashlight. You could put it on an RC car. You could try to put it on a hat cam and do many things with it. I hope you enjoy your bike light. If this is the right light for you. The BORUIT L15 Osram P8 is a bike light kit. You have a headlight, a tail light, the attachments for the headlight, the tail light, and the charging cable for the headlight USB-C, the tail light micro. We have an instruction guide in a number of languages. 4 to 6 hours to fully charge, an hour or 2 for the other. The light will turn green when it reaches 100% on the unit, or 100%. We have a number of modes, 8 modes for the headlight, 6 modes for the tail light. We have an SOS on the back mode button and a flicker on the front button going from high, medium, low, or low, medium, high. Different beams of up to 1800 lumens. The throw can be from 100 meters or more, 200 meters to be exact. If you have your cables with you, you have an emergency power bank to run a phone or anything else to charge. These are the mode on, has a green ring around the lens and has about 8 LED lights or more. There are 10 to be exact. So let's turn on the back button to show you the light throw. That is mode 1. You can see what it says on mode 1. Mode 2 is brighter. Mode 3 is low. And it'll repeat to those 3 modes. If you want to shut the unit off, long press. The unit will turn off. If you want to get to the SOS, double press. 1, 2. To give an SOS. You want to stop it, press it once. On the top mode button, single press, mode 1, 2 is brighter, 3 is brighter, and back to the low.
To shut off, long press. These are the three modes of low, medium, high, and flicker is double press, only on the top. Press again to shut off. Those are the 8 modes of the headlight. On the bottom of the headlight is a release mechanism that you're going to put in this unit one particular way, line up, press to the off position, and the in position will lock in. Release the mechanism, place on your handlebar, and lock up. It's almost big enough to put on a scooter, but it's meant for a bicycle that you simply just wrap it around the bar, hook it around. On the backlight, you have mode 1, red, mode 2, blue, mode 3, red rapid, mode 4, an SOS, mode 5, a police light, and off. To place on to the bike back bars, you have a rubber strap. Fully release the clip, it can go on either way. On the stem, lock on. We'll bring the bike outside. We'll show the beam what it looks like.
The light flicker high beam, very powerful indeed, as you can see on a remote control car. Show you how nice and bright it is, going back and forth in a number of modes, as well as going on the bicycle riding. You can see the beam going out forward, and you can see how the flicker is very powerful, letting you know riding your bike safe. I hope you enjoy this product. If this is something that you're looking for as a bike kit on the L15 by BORUIT.